Hi, this is Sankesh Parmar and I'm here to demo my AES project for the advanced reconfigurable systems. So to begin with, these are the modules that I have. I have a top UART module that instantiates RX and TX module. The RX module is the receiver for the UART and TX is transmitter for UART. And I have a check.ucf that generates the UCF file for the board. I'm using the Nexus Spartan 3 board and through a UART. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the UART module. Well, I have a UART module, so I have instantiated RX module, the top module, the TX module, etc. The top module is where most of the coding comes in. I have so and so signals, and then I have a finite state machine that based on the inputs or the outputs it jumps to different states. It's over here. So I have so if the user wants encryption, the encryption underscore decryption bit stays high, and if it wants, it goes low. If it wants decryption, if they want decryption, it goes low. So I have conditions to check for different things. The data underscore rec is where I check if the data is received by the UART module or not. And I have different counters and decryption based on what I need. So I have already generated the .bit file, and I've used the Adobe software to load it into the Nexus board. I'm going to use a different laptop to send my UART signals. As you can see, this is connected to my power, and the UART is given through to a different laptop because for some reason the UART doesn't work in my end. I've taken the first vector from the gfsbox.txt file, and I'm gonna space it like 00 because I can send only 8 bits at a time in UART. The UART module takes care of my inputs, collects them into one big register and of 384 bits, and then it supplies it to my top module. So if you see, I have my reset bit on, and then when I switch off my reset bit and the encryption decryption bit is high, so I'm gonna send the data over here, and this is the output.